In this video, I will show you how to buy things from nflshop.com. So to do that, simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for NFL Shop, then click on the URL. From here, click on your profile icon right beside the cart icon in the top right. From here, sign in to your account, or if you don't have an account, you can simply create an account. Once you're done doing that, you can simply browse for the items. Click on Shop Now. You can choose whether you want to buy a women's clothing or men's clothing or any kids item. Simply click on it. Scroll down below. You can choose the teams. Once you like a particular item, you can simply click on it. Then choose your size. You can see the price here. Then click on Add to Cart. You can even choose the quantity from here. Then click on Add to Cart. Now you can browse for as many items as you want. Simply add them to cart. Then in the top right corner you can see this cart icon. Simply click on it. From here you can still adjust the size and quantity. If you have to make any changes, you can make it from here. Scroll down below, and if you have a promo code, simply click on this. Then put in your promo code and click on apply. After that you can see your order summary here. Click on checkout. Then continue checkout. You can make payments through PayPal or with your credit cards. If you have any discounts applied, if you have gift card, you can simply put in the 16-digit number and the pin codes. And that's it. That's how you can buy merchandise from NFL.com. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.